Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. First, open your Telegram wallet, scroll down a bit. Now tap on dogs, tap on external wallet. Next, we need to get our dog's address from Binance. So open Binance, tap on wallet, tap on spot, or tap on deposit. Then at the top, search for dogs. And on the first result, tap on Toncoin. For the network, both the memo and the address are required to successfully deposit your funds to Binance, so keep that in mind. Now tap on OK, copy the dog's address, and then go back to our Telegram wallet. Tap on Paste to insert the dog's address. Tap on Continue to proceed. Enter the amount of dogs here. You can use max if you want all, and you can enter your preferred amount. Then tap on Continue to proceed. Add the required tag from the exchange to avoid losing funds. Go back to Binance. Then copy the dog's memo. Then go back to Telegram and paste the memo and send. Then enter the passcode if you're using passcode. Then go back to Binance to check if the deposit has arrived. And after a few seconds, we received our dogs in our Binance account. And that's it. I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.